Welcome to the Bigger Brains course, Mastering PowerPoint 365 Beginner. My name is Snizaski, and I'm a Microsoft trainer with 25 years experience helping people be more efficient using Microsoft products. Microsoft PowerPoint is a powerful tool for creating presentations, and I'm excited to teach you how to use its features. This course is intended for users who are new to PowerPoint 365 and want to learn essential tools. We'll start with navigating the PowerPoint interface and using the Backstage area. Then we'll look at several ways to create new presentations, add slides, and discuss layouts. Next, we'll add text to a slide and apply basic formatting. From there, we'll use bullets and numbers for our lists, as well as review multiple ways to copy and paste data. Then we'll save our presentation and look at ways to get help in PowerPoint 365. In our last section, we'll add several types of pictures and shapes to our slides and insert a table. By the end of this course, my hope is that you will know how to navigate and use the basic elements of PowerPoint 365 and start creating your own presentations. As you go through this course, I recommend that you stop the video periodically and practice what I'm showing you. The files I'm using are available to download if your platform supports them, so you can do the same activities right along with us.